The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys switch to Metro by T-Mobile, y'all can get the new iPhone SE for $99.99. So that is really cool. So if you guys want a new iPhone on Metro by T-Mobile, switch to Metro and get the new iPhone SE for $99.99. So you will be saving $300 for the iPhone SE if you guys switch. So that is pretty cool. So to level now for the people who switch, obviously. So if you guys want to switch to Metro, get the new iPhone SE for $99.99. It's definitely worth it still at that price, because it's saving $300 on the thing if you guys switch. And if you guys want to check out my video on the iPhone SE from Metro by T-Mobile, there'll be a card on the right side of the screen, so check it out. So yeah, so this is a really cool deal from Metro by T-Mobile. So shout out to them for that. So if you guys want to get a new iPhone on Metro by T-Mobile, switch to Metro and get the new iPhone SE for $100. It's a win-win, and it's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.